Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save, or better yet, create a PDF using Google Docs. First, as you can see here, I'm on my Google Docs and I will open up a file that I already did right here. Then you'll click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and then you're going to click on Share and Export. Then you're going to click on Send a Copy. And there you can choose to export it as a Word doc or PDF, but we want it in the PDF format, so we're going to select PDF and press OK. Here you can see it's preparing PDF. Then this is going to come up, then you're going to select Create PDF. And as you can see there, it's in PDF format now. Press Done, then you press Save File To. And there you can select where you would like to save the file in your iPhone, whether on your iCloud drive or wherever. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.